Hey guys, today we are reviewing the A1405 battery, or the A1466 battery, or it also works as the A1369 battery. So this battery is suitable for computers, MacBook Air 13-inch, mid-2012, mid-2013, and early 2014, early 2015, and early 2017 years. So inside they provide you with the instructions that you need, and also if you can keep watching the video, we're going to show you installation and how it looks as you install it. So please make sure you check your MacBook model before, that way you know this is the right battery for your MacBook. You can simply access the information on your computer. So the logo on the upper left corner of the MacBook screen, click that and then go to About This Mac and you can find your Mac number. Check that the model or on the back of the cover of the computer contains model A1466 or model A1496 or model A1405 or model A1369. So they provide you with the tools needed. And this is what the battery looks like. It's very simple and basic. Okay guys, let's show you how it looks installed and how you install it.